Hey everyone, and Happy New Year! I'm Brittany with Instruqt, and we're so excited to tell you about 3 new product updates this month. Let's dive right in and check them out. First things first, we've improved the sidebar. We know how overwhelming it can be for learners to follow along with a large amount of content displayed in the sidebar. It's incredibly important to keep their experience seamless and engagement active. So, now you can add collapsible sections to your tracks. We've also updated the Markdown styling to further improve on the readability of that sidebar content. Awesome! Next up, we've worked on improving the content creation experience. So, we've shipped a new Instruqt CLI config format. Some find that the track.yml file is hard to manage on our CLI. To avoid having to edit and maintain one large file, this version splits the track.yml into a separate Markdown file per challenge. This allows for editor support for challenge Markdown, no more maintaining a single large track.yml file, and it makes it easier to reorder challenges. And lastly, we've made it even easier to add images and videos to your tracks. We know that media is an essential part of your content. With this new release, it's now possible to host track assets on the Instruqt platform. No more having to host assets on a separate CDN. Now you can simply add them to your track directory. To learn more about any of these updates, head to our documentation page. That's all for today, but I'll be back with new updates and features headed your way soon.